Hey everybody, in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how to get Amazon affiliate product link and add it to your website and blogs. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so first of all, you just have to open up your internet browser and go to google.com. And now you just have to search for Amazon Associates right here. And then you just have to click on the first link. So this is basically the Amazon affiliate dashboard. You just have to click on sign up and sign up for an Amazon affiliate account if you haven't already. And then just sign in into your Amazon affiliate account. I won't do it practically in this video for security reasons, but it's pretty straightforward. Just select a product and generate your affiliate link, and then you can just go to your blog or website or whatever it is and paste your Amazon affiliate links there. If for some reason your links get blocked or something like that, you can go to linktree.com like this, and you can shorten your links using linktree.com. You can just type in something like Amazon affiliate product. You can just claim your link then and put your real affiliate link behind this link. Just Google how to use Linktree properly. It's pretty straightforward, and you can bypass security blocks using Linktree if for some reason your Amazon affiliate links get blocked on your website or blog or whatever you're using. By doing this, you can also put your Amazon affiliate links in Medium blogs, TikTok, or other sites which don't directly allow Amazon or other affiliate links. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.